In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to delete user account in Windows 11 and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if you're having multiple kind of an account in your PC, this is what we have to do. So the first one, we have to go over here. We need to type here for control panel. Then what you need to do is you have to click on this. Now from here, we have to go over here, set this to the large icons. And from here, you have to make sure that you have to click on the user account here. Now that will take you to this and click on manage another account. Now from here, as you can see, these are the user account that is created right now. So what you need to do is in order to delete it, you have to select the account in which you wanted to delete. For example, I'll select this one, or if I wanted to delete this, I have to click on this. Now that will take you to this, and there is an option called delete the account. Go for this and go for either you have two options. Either you wanted to keep the Stephanie's files, you can keep the files, or if you wanted to go for the delete files, you can just go for delete files and go for delete account. After once, just click on the delete account, so it will be created, deleted from here. Once the account is created, as you can see, it is completely gone. Now, and also if you want to delete an administrative account, make sure one thing that is all about, you should be having another administrator as well. In my case, I'm having two admin, that is one is this one, and also I have created or kept Peter as an administrator. So if I wanted to delete it, I can delete this one over here without any issue. If you have only one single administrator, which means you have to make either the Trevor Nays an administrator or the Peter as an administrator, then you have to delete this. So this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.